Hi, I am Olivia from Kolkata. So, here I am to share some of my experiences with which I have overcome with Zinnia's help. The reason why I want to share it with you all is because in today's life we all are into some kind of frustration, depression, but still we are somehow dragging our life and catering to all our responsibilities. But we have all forgotten that there is one very important life, that is we ourself, me, myself. We have stopped caring about ourselves. We have stopped loving ourselves. We don't know what is self love. We think, how can a person love his or her own self? So, this is the same phase which I have been going through for almost more than 2 years. I know Xenia, it's almost now 8 months. I was in a situation of complete depression, out of loneliness. The only thing which I used to do is work, home, catering to my personal responsibilities, catering to my official work. But for myself, I only used to drink and have sleeping pills because I was so scared to sleep either in the afternoon or at night. I used to get the feeling that if I sleep, then I will die. And if I die, who will take care of my son? What will happen to my son? So to avoid this thought, I used to have sleeping pills and drinks so that my mind will be collapsed and I will be able to sleep. Because of this, there was unnecessary expenses. I was putting on weight. Me being a very fitness oriented person, I even stopped going for my gymming and all. See, basically, I have lots to share about Xenia's help and guidance in my life, but since it is a public forum, so I will not be able to share everything about my personal life. But the only thing which I want to share with you all, and also want to spread the news to all the souls in this universe, that Xenia has actually helped me to live my life again. She taught me, she guided me to love myself, to take care of myself. So in Hindi, the tagline which I can use for Xenia is, Xenia ने मुझे फिर से सिखाया जीना, which means Xenia has taught me to live my life again. I lost interest to talk to people. I lost interest in everything. I was counting days that when my son will be an adult and then I will attempt for a suicide so that I can die peacefully. So I hope the amount of news I am trying to share with you all, not exactly news, my experience, I hope you all can understand that from what depression and frustration I have been going through, that I was living a life for the sake that I have to live because I have to take care of my son. I was counting days that when my son will become an adult so that I will commit suicide and I will die. I was scared to sleep because I didn't want to die. Now, because I have to take care of my son. And there were many more things, many more situations which I have been going through. Zinnia has been very patient with me. She handled me very calmly. I behaved very weird also with her. Sometimes I contacted her in a day 10 times. And also then there were situations where I was vanished for 1 month. Even though she contacted me, she messaged me, but I replied her that I will talk to you later. Though I never disrespected her because I really respect her a lot. But my mind status was that I lost the feeling to talk to anybody. Zinnia has been very unconditional with all her guidance and effort and teachings, her healing, her Reiki sessions. She is a gem of a person, and I would like to spread this news to everyone that let us first love ourselves. Let us first take care of ourselves. Zinnia always told me that, Olivia, I am so much in tears that it is out of happiness, of course. Yeah, so Zinnia always told me that, Olivia, every day tell yourself, I am very happy, I am very fine, I am in peace, I am very beautiful, I love myself. Initially, I did not follow this, but then she is such a sweet person that she continuously used to poke me on and off. Did you tell this? Did you do this affirmation? Did you do this? Did you do that? Did you do this? Sorry, Zinnia, sometimes I lied to you, even though I did not, but I told, yes, I did. And I know even Zinnia is aware that I used to lie to her. But then, gradually, it has come to the point that even if I don't tell the affirmation every day to myself, I still feel so good about myself. I am so much in love with myself. So dear all, 10 minutes or 15 minutes is not enough for me to share my experiences with you. But knowing a person like Zinnia is really a blessing for my life. She has been a very she has been helping me. I mean, not only me, also a lot of people, those who are linked with me. She is an angel sent to this universe to help us. So dear all, it is still not late. Let us spread the news to everyone that we all have the right to live our life. We all have the right to love ourselves. We have to be positive in all the situations. Zinnia taught me all this. The moment we think that it is the moment we think anything negative, automatically the situation will turn negative. These are not my words. I was completely into negative situations. Now these are my words because Zinnia has brought me into this situation. Whatever is the matter, whatever is the issue, whatever is the situation, I am always calm. I always think God will help me, God will sort it out, God will give me the strength. Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. This all thought process, I always used to believe in God since the time I got my senses. I mean to say, since the time since the time from my childhood, I always have faith in God and always believe in God. But with the belief and faith, I went to the situation of my life that nothing good will happen to me, everything bad will happen to me. So anything and everything, I was into the track that this will happen to me. Obviously negative will happen to me. How can anything good happen to me? Nothing good will happen to me. Yes, this is how my life is going to. Negative, always negative. Being a good counselor for others, I have been a very good counselor for others, but for myself, I completely finished myself with all negative thoughts. Zinnia is the one who brought me, who have actually pulled me out, dragged me out from that situation. I have been taking healing session. I took healing session from some of the other healers also. But Zinnia's healing session is really exceptional, with a very strong, positive vibes. Thank you, Zinnia. I will not be able to reveal much more experiences in this video. As I told that in the public forum, I will not share my personal experiences. Even in the recent days, lot of situations I have been going through, family situations. She has been very unconditional and have given her utmost effort to solve my situations, and it has actually been sorted completely. God bless you, Zinnia. God bless all. God bless me. Thank you all for taking out your time and listening to this video, and I wish you all good luck, and please send your wishes to Zinnia so that she can reach more souls, those who are suffering in this universe, and she can help those souls. Thank you all. Have a nice day ahead.